Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 59. Let's start. Alright. Alright, so let's maybe try there or there. Alright. We just lost a fish. We have 3 cats for now. Okay. Let's maybe try there or here. Alright, that was so close. Alright, we have the pink one here.
Nice!
Next one. Alright, now we have 6 cats.
Great!
The green one also.
Perfect!
Right. The purple one should be here. Okay, now we have 8. We have 3 more.
Excellent!
Find. We have the yellow one there.
Amazing!
Alright,
Unbelievable!
here's the pink one.